I want to talk to you about Amazon and President Trump, because President Trump tweeted again about Amazon first thing this morning. Here it is. I'm going to read this, Mark, for a benefit of our viewers and for you. I know you've seen it. The fake news Washington Post, Amazon's chief lobbyist, has another of many phony headlines. Trump defiant as China adds trade penalties. Wrong. Should read, Trump defiant as U.S. adds trade penalties will end barriers and massive IP theft. Typically, bad reporting. So, Mark Short, I think we know where the president stands. I suspect that he's going after Jeff Bezos, owner of the Washington Post, founder of Amazon, and it's personal. Your response to that?
I don't think it needs to be personal, Stuart. I think the reality of the president's pointing out is that for many, many years, we've had other administrations point out that China is stealing intellectual property, but unwilling to take action. This president is looking to stand up and make sure we protect intellectual property in the United States. And I think that the Washington Post certainly has an agenda, and they've been pretty biased in pursuing that agenda for quite some time. So I think he's making a very obvious case that he's not going to get a fair deal from the Washington Post on coverage.